Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Logan. So today we're making a Pete the Cat snack. And remember when Miss Maria read you Pete the Cat, I love my white shoes? He stepped in strawberries, blueberries, mud, and then back in water. So for the mud, we're going to use Nutella. So we wouldn't use actual mud because you shouldn't use that. So you just take your popsicle stick and start spreading it. It might be hard to get out, so I would get your parents' help to get it out. So you just spread it all on here. And make sure you wash your hands before you start doing this. So you just keep spreading it. And you might get a little messy, but that's okay. So once you're done spreading it, you're going to take your strawberries and you're going to place them on. You could place a bunch on, it doesn't really matter. And then, remember that he stepped in strawberries? What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Good job. So next, we're going to put some blueberries. Remember when he stepped in them? What color did that turn his shoes? Blue. Good job. So next, we're going to take a spoon and we're going to spread some whipped cream or Cool Whip. We're going to spread it on here. And this will be our water. And what color was his shoes in the beginning? White? Good job. The water turned his shoes back to white. It washed all the mud and strawberries and blueberries off. So you're just going to cover your stuff with that. And then once you're done covering it, you could just eat it. So as you can see, I put a lot. But now we're going to eat it. Really good.
Disclaimer, please make sure your child runs around a lot after this snack. Thank you. Bye.